All right, welcome to the parking to the falls. We're gonna go check it out. It's kind of a secret waterfall here in Colorado. It's in this campground, and not a lot of people really ever come and see it. It's marked on Google, but as you can see, trails to the falls, but it isn't marked on the highway, so you have to almost pre-mark it on your map and find it that way, because there's no signal. We picked a stormy day to come see it, but hey, it's not 100 degrees out here. It's in the low 60s with some rain. I'm not hearing any thunder or lightning, so we're okay for an umbrella and to be out here. But anyway, let's go check it out. So we're here and through the trees now, and they got a little gate to go through here just to keep people from riding dirt bikes and stuff. But it looks like somebody was in here today within the last few hours. We're gonna go check it out. I think we're supposed to go that way. So when you see this railing, check it out. Made our way along the short trail here, about 900 feet of trail. I got it. Go ahead. And we are coming up onto the waterfall. It is beautiful. Rain stopped, so we'll send the drone up for you guys. No one around here to disturb with it, so we're okay flying it. We'll get some good shots for you guys to check out. They got a little railing up here, but it is beautiful. All right, let's go see it. Well, that's gonna be it from this falls, and we are gonna go check out the other one. There's another one above this one, weather permitting. So if you don't see those clips, it's because it's absolutely dumping rain, or there's lightning or some other problem. But right now the weather's cooperating. We were able to get the drone in the air, as you guys can see, and we're just getting some light rain, so no big deal. Fairly easy trail, but not one you would want your 5-year-old just running loose on. Make sure you guys are taking care of your family on this trail. It is a little steep off to the side here, so definitely have a grip on the wee ones. But a short trail, a little less than 1,000-foot long trail to get here. Easy little parking lot. And there is, if you saw it on the drone, there is an upper area that you can see the falls from above the falls in the area. So definitely check that out if you're adventurous. So we're gonna head back toward the car and we'll check back with you. Now this is the one that everybody does know about because of the, you know, the road has a sign, but it talks about the history. You can read the signs when you're here. It talks about the native history, and I'm sure there's been a lot of native history here. They talk about gold in nearby Lake City, and then some of the black swifts talking about their nesting here at the falls. So 27 million year old volcano is what caused this volcanic cliff you're seeing up here, and should be quite a spectacular sight. If the wind and stuff will cooperate, we'll send the drone up. Right now it's pretty windy, but we'll see what we can do. All right, we'll check back at the falls. All right, we're gonna send the drone up. Let's see what we can see. quite a bit, so we're gonna get on out of here. Sure was beautiful. We appreciate you tuning in. I got the drone in the air, but just too much rain, so we're done. Gonna hit the car before the real storm shows up. It looks like a pretty good heavy shower moving in, so we're gonna get in the car before lightning starts. All right, thanks for watching, guys, from Colorado, checking out. Check out that view. Wow, that's pretty spectacular. Well, hopefully you guys really enjoyed that. I know we did. Amazing sights, just incredible stop. Right now, 45 degrees and raining. Yeah, we're about 10,500 feet right now, coming off a Spring Creek Pass, I think it was, and it's pretty chilly up here. And if it were early morning or nighttime, I think it might actually be snowing right now. But we could see some massive hail and other bad weather, so we got out of there. And as you can see, we were able to get the drone up on both of them, but it was it had its challenges with the rain. So anyway, I'm out of here, guys. We're gonna have a safe drive up to Gunnison, where we're staying for the night. And stay tuned, subscribe if you're not also part of the fishing side of it. Check out our Patreon, we do weekly fishing reports over there. All right, from Colorado, we'll see you guys. Thanks for watching.